Hey folks, have you ever found yourself gazing up at the night sky thinking everything out there is motionless? Truth is, there's something absolutely wild happening above us. Every planet, every star, even every speck of cosmic dust is on a non-stop spinning adventure. It's a cosmic dance. The moon orbits the Earth. Earth spins around the sun and our sun. It's dragging the entire solar system around the galaxy. But here's the big question. Why does the universe insist on spinning forever? Is this some kind of cosmic show-off move, or is there something deeper going on? Spoiler, there's way more to it than meets the eye. Just thinking about it is enough to make your head spin. What else might be spinning out there beyond what we can see? Are there mysteries scientists haven't even discovered, still twirling out in the cosmos? Stick with me till the end. By the time you're done with this video, I guarantee you'll see the universe in a whole new light. You might even find yourself tempted to drop some of these space facts at your next dinner party. Let's kick things up a notch. Imagine our home galaxy, the Milky Way, with over 200 billion stars spinning like a gigantic record in space. Every time I see one of those spiral galaxy images, it gives me chills. Not only are they stunning, but they're rotating and sweeping up stars, planets, and even dark matter in one huge cosmic whirl. Here's the crazy part. This rotation isn't uniform. The downtown of the galaxy spins faster than the outer edges. For years, this baffled astronomers. It looked like something invisible was holding things together. Spoiler alert, that's where the idea of dark matter comes in. Even now, scientists are studying these odd rotation patterns with telescopes and sensors everywhere. Every twist and turn is like a cosmic clue, helping us piece together where we came from and where we're headed. Could the Milky Way one day crash into another galaxy and stir up this whole cosmic dance? And just imagine, if galaxies can swallow each other whole, did the universe used to be even messier? Let that thought simmer. The story is just getting started. If you think only giant galaxies spin, check this out. Our boss the sun spins on its own axis and leads the whole solar system on a crazy ride around the galaxy. It's not enough to just be a star, you've got to spin. Bonus twist, the sun spins even faster at its equator than at its poles. Planets all have their own vibes too. Jupiter spins at breakneck speed. A day there lasts just 10 hours. Venus? It's the rebel, spinning the opposite way from the rest. Those unique spins hold the stories of collisions and cosmic dramas from the solar system's youth. Here's the wildest part. The faster an object spins, the wilder its weather. Jupiter's turbospin gives us the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for ages. Here on Earth, our own rotation gives us days, nights, seasons, and so much more. Now think about this. If a huge asteroid hit a planet at just the right angle, it could even flip its spin direction. What if Earth decided to start spinning the other way tomorrow? What would change? Drop your theories in the comments. Now check this out. Not just big stuff spins. Down at the atomic level, electrons are always whizzing, but the real magic is in subatomic spin. In physics, spin isn't just a normal kind of rotation. It's like an ID card for a particle. Every particle spins, even if it doesn't really take up space. This spin thing is responsible for everything we know. It's behind the rules of chemistry and even tech like MRIs. Without spin, there'd be no magnetism, no electric fields, heck, no fridge magnets. Physicists say it's like each particle's fingerprint, the weirdest part. Without spin, maybe matter couldn't even exist, or it'd be so alien we couldn't imagine it. Think about it. Even things that look totally still are hiding essential movement. I can't help but wonder, does anything in nature truly never spin? Ever heard of something that doesn't? Let me know in the comments. But where did this first cosmic push come from? What set everything spinning in the first place? Loads of physicists and cosmologists lose sleep over that one. Some think the universe itself, back at the Big Bang, already had a tiny bit of vorticity, a slight spin that still echoes in the cosmic microwave background today. Others argue that early on, small density shifts and turbulence made primal whirlpools. When those clouds of matter collapsed under their own gravity, even the tiniest original spin got put into overdrive. Like spinning pizza dough faster as it gets smaller, the universe pulled the same move. It's actually funny. Some galaxies seem to have a favorite spin direction, like someone flicked a massive bottle cap at the start of time. Imagine the pressure on whoever handled that first spin. Stop and think. If everything's spinning because of some original kickstart, could it ever stop? What would happen? Imagine the ultimate cosmic blackout if everything just halted. Here's a hard rule for you. Conservation of angular momentum. It's one even the universe can't break. Think about a figure skater. Arms out, she spins slow. Arms in, she's whirling. From subatomic particles to galaxies, it's the key to eternal motion. In space, there's no friction, nothing to slow things down. So once something is spinning, it'll only stop if something huge interrupts, like a massive collision. That's how protoplanetary disks form. They flatten out and speed up as they collapse. When two galaxies collide, it's total cosmic mayhem. They merge, jumble their stars and combine their angular momentum, totally transforming the shape of the new galaxy. The energy involved is off the charts. Here's a cliffhanger. Could the Milky Way ever slow down, or will it spin forever? Could there possibly be some cosmic force out there cheating this law? Let me know what you think. So, if everything's spinning, why doesn't it all crash together in some chaotic mess? The secret: a delicate balance between gravity and rotational velocity. Gravity pulls things together, but speed keeps them in stable orbit, a fine line between being sucked into the sun or flying off into space. I find it mind-blowing. If a planet slows down, it'll spiral into its star. If it speeds up too much, it's gone, off into the cosmic wild. Here on Earth, the balance is so precise that our planet never falls or flees its orbit. Can you imagine if it did? That same balance is why moons stick to planets, planets stick to suns, and our sun to the center of the galaxy. It's like a ballet, but where gravity sets the rhythm. Ever wondered if a planet's ever been flung out of its system? Could Earth ever get booted from this cosmic dance? Let me know if you've ever dreamed of such a science fiction apocalypse. Spinning isn't just for show, it literally changes how planets and stars look. Any fast spinning body bulges at the middle and flattens at the poles. That's why Earth is slightly squashed, and Jupiter looks really stretched, thanks to its crazy spin. This bulge effect changes everything: gravity, weather, air currents, even the best place to launch a rocket. Hint: pick the equator. Centrifugal force flings material outward, influencing where the atmosphere goes. Earth's very winds and oceans owe their patterns to our spin. The famous Coriolis effect even decides which way cyclones spin. It all makes Earth way more dynamic than just a boring stationary ball in space. Get this: if Earth stopped spinning right now, even our magnetic field would freak out. Imagine losing our shield against solar storms. Would you survive on a frozen, stopped planet? What would you see? Hit the comments. When it comes to space travel, to Mars, or landing on the moon, you can't ignore planetary spin. Every mission depends on calculating not just destination, but the speed and direction of those spins, or you'll end up lost in space. Here's a mindbender. To escape Earth's gravity, you need to hit 7 miles per second. To leave the sun's grip, more than 26. The Voyager missions got a speed boost from planets by using their gravity and spin, a cosmic slingshot, all thanks to rotation. Space engineers see spin as an ally, not an obstacle. Getting the spin just right can save tons of fuel and keep your spacecraft on course. What if a single calculation went wrong? Or if a planet's rotation suddenly changed? What would space missions look like then? Throw your wildest sci-fi plots in the comments. After this wild spin through the cosmos, here's a question that keeps me up at night. Is all this order just a big coincidence? Or is there a bigger purpose, some secret code running behind it all? As physicist John Lennox said, "The fact that the universe follows reliable mathematical laws isn't an explanation. It's a fact that cries out for explanation." Some theories say the entire universe itself is very gently spinning. So slowly we can hardly detect it, but maybe it leaves traces in the cosmic background. If so, wow! Imagine discovering our neighborhood is just spinning in some even bigger, grander structure. Remember, for centuries nobody believed Earth spun either. Could we be blind to another huge spin right now? Maybe our universe is only one part of a giant, ever-spinning cosmic machine. Now it's up to you. Do you think all this cosmic choreography is random? Or is there a mastermind behind the scenes? Drop your thoughts, leave a like, and share, because this discussion never stops, just like the universe. See you in the next video, space fans.